If product is not good quality, who is responsible?
Audio preview.